My company is the Italian Pharmacy, and I do skincare products based on carrot oil. I started this active during the pandemic while I was working, and I discovered actually carrot oil was full of beta carotene, which is great for skin health and to decrease skin inflammation. So after that, I decided to put this active in all my products and to develop this skincare line. That is full of, that is great for skin inflammation, actually, and specific for sensitive skin. Actually, I do skincare products based on carrot oil, and this is actually the eye cream if you want to try and pass it to the audience. And all products provide skin elasticity and are great for skin health. Also, for me, it's very important, also skin as an organ, so it promotes skin longevity, which is very important. Actually, these are some of the results of our products on the skin of people. This is the hydrating cream and the hydrating serum that provide, the skin is much brighter and is actually smoother and hydrated. Where are we now? Today we are selling on Amazon US and in Italy, and last year we made 40K in sales. We have some partnership going on in the New York area, and we are now planning to expand in Miami. Actually, we are, all formulas are FDA, of course, compliant, and we have been featured on Vogue and selected by Allure for our antioxidant serum. Actually, what differentiates us are the formulas that are all registered, and actually there is a strong personal branding behind the brand because the Italian pharmacy, and the pharmacy is an institution worldwide, so the values are recognized everywhere. We are a B2B and a B2C business, and right now we are actually looking for distributors and retailers in the US that could carry physically our product. We started a collaboration in consignment with a shop in New York, and now we want to expand our network. Production costs are $8.80 per unit, and we sell from $39 to $139. We are right now doing also rebranding, so we will have a new packaging in the middle of October that is in production right now. So we are asking for funding because we need this money to cover the cost of the expansion in the Miami area, which is booming right now, and actually to cover the digital advertising strategy. We are looking for distributors and retailers as well, because also the physical products is important. I do a lot of events on site. That for me is very important. We are organizing run. We have a running club also. So thank you a lot for giving me your time, and to see you. I hope to see you all in this journey to skin longevity. Thank you.